Good morning, guys. I'm going to discuss the advantage of online coaching over offline coaching. I'm especially talking about the coaching, not for the college. So, whatever I will discuss in this video, it is based on my 15 years of offline teaching experience and 5 years of online teaching experience. So, I'm teaching online from last 5 years in abroad countries. So, first thing, most of the time we know most of the time we learn things on YouTube, right? So that's what I have taken here. Most of the time we learn things on YouTube, which is a great example of online learning. Okay, if you have learned anything, if you have learned anything from YouTube, then it is like you have got the advantage of online learning. Just imagine if the teacher who is teaching on the YouTube is not on YouTube. If the teacher is teaching in some other state or some other country, will you able to learn that knowledge? Of course not. Second thing, most of the time some of my students review about their college teachers, and they say even though they are teaching offline in the college, but they are not able to explain properly, or they explain in hurry burry, or they don't make the students to understand the concept. So most of the time students complain about their college teachers. So uh, actually, but see, at the same time there are some college teachers, they are amazing. They are amazing. You might have you may have experienced this in your college also. Like, some teachers are amazing when they are taking the classes offline in your class. So actually it depends on teachers, because nowadays whoever is not being successful in some other jobs, then for the part time they are coming into teaching field, and just for the money making purpose. Okay, and they have some different target. So most of the time some teachers are good, but some teachers are not good. They are just working for the money purpose. Okay, they don't even bother whether students are understanding something or not. They just do their job and they go. Okay, but at the same time some teachers are amazing. They are kind of dedicated teacher. The teacher word is made for them. Okay, so if someone is a good teacher, they will teach you good on both the platforms, whether it is online platform or offline platform. But imagine if the same teacher is teaching offline also and online also. Under that condition, I am going to compare advantages and disadvantages of offline and online. For example, I am taking my own example. Students consider me as a good teacher. So as a good teacher, if I'm having offline classes also and online classes also, then what are the advantages we have in online class, and offline classes disadvantages? So here are disadvantages. I have taken 8 top disadvantages for offline coaching. So you see, uh, and advantages over those offline disadvantages. So first thing, uh, in offline coaching, if you are going to the center to learn, okay, that is called offline. So your fees will be very high as compared to online. Why? Because the management or the teacher who is running the tuition or the coaching center, they have to pay room rent, electricity, water charges, and other management maintenance bills, right? So all those money they will suck from you only, right? So in that money, of course the fees will be high, so you have to pay the high fees. But in online coaching, you have to pay almost half fees, or more, less than half fees, like that. Like, for example, when I was running offline coaching center, I was charging 35K, but when I am running online coaching center, I am charging 20K. This data I am not telling about Gate Aerospace coaching classes, not for IIT or NEET. IIT or NEET, I charge different. Okay, but at the same time, you see another disadvantages: location and the traveling problem. Like, if you are looking for the offline center, suppose, just an example, suppose if you are in South India, and there is some coaching and you are liking the coaching, but that coaching is in North India, right? So location problem is there. Okay, at the same time, suppose one another example, suppose you are in this zone of your city, but the coaching is in different zone of the city, and it takes 1 hour of travel, right? So that's why I have considered location traveling is a big problem. So when you are traveling, of course you have to waste your so much energy, time, and traveling cost as well, right? Because you have to be ready, you have to eat, and then you have to go, and if the timing is awkward, then you have to suffer the timing issues also, traveling buses, or if you are using your bike or something, then you have to add extra expenditure on the maintenance or bike or something, right? Petrol, everything. And for many matters, for many students, these small factors, they are a big matter. So if you will save those money, you can easily pay your mobile internet or your Wi-Fi, right? Okay, traveling is very difficult if the weather is not good. Of course, example, rainy season. Suppose you want to go to this coaching, but because of rainy season you are not able to go. In that case, you are going to lose your health also and your study also and everything, right? And if the teacher is saying that okay, if you are not able to visit offline coaching center, I will give you some recording videos. So finally, what is the option? Online, correct? It means if you are missing your offline classes, you are going to either you will go again to the offline center to learn the subject if teacher will teach again, or teacher will tell you that okay, I will record the lecture and I will give you, so that you can watch online. So finally, you are coming to the online only. So in online classes, this kind of issue you don't have. Main thing, like I'm trying to point out, you will save lot of things, especially three things: energy, time and money. So of course, time of offline class is not suitable for all types of students looking for coaching. If I take the example of aerospace industry, if you are preparing for gate exam, then most of the students are from college. So the time issue. At the same time, some students are working professionals, but they want to write gate exam. So in that case, time issue is there. But if I'm running online coaching center, then they can attend any time. Like even if I'll keep the classes in night time, in offline class, if online, if in offline it is difficult to manage night classes, but in online easily I can sit in my home and they can sit in their home, and we can connect on some online application and we can have classes, right? Because it depends on the teacher who is teaching you. If the teacher is like right now, if you are able to understand this lecture right now, currently what I am teaching you, so you can understand online classes as well. It is not only about me. There are so many teachers, they are taking amazing online classes on YouTube. You might have heard about some teachers teaching mathematics for SSC exams. Millions of views there, like they gain millions of views and so much respect and so many comments because they teach amazing. So those teachers are not available offline everywhere, but they are available easily online. So it is the advantage for the students so that they can go for those kind of teachers, even though if they are not from India. So online coaching, you can just start with a single click. Now offline classes are limited for you. I mean to say that suppose you are in some area, in that particular area, if 2-3 coaching centers are there, then you have only those options. And mostly if you are a girl student, like most of the time, I'm not discriminating, but parents feel that if the coaching is nearby the home, it is comfortable, like girl can go there. But in online classes, you can have so many options, like you can go for the demo classes of different teachers, and whoever you are liking, you can join them, right? But in offline coaching, you have limited options. So like you can definitely try only in your nearby cities, something. I hope you're getting my point. So in online class, you take the demo classes with so many teachers and select the best one suited for you, right? Now fifth point is very important. You may be affected by diseases, for example COVID-19, right? So if you're traveling, then if you're traveling regularly, so 1 or 2 days fine, you may be, but if you're traveling regularly, then your probability will increase to get affected. So you are totally safe at your home. So again, advantages of online. Okay, there's a food problem I have taken. Food problem means if you're changing your place, then you have to eat food, and yeah, the health is gone, everything is gone. So food problem is also there. When you are changing your place, you may not get the good food. So there are many entrance exams like GATE, IIT, NEET. So students used to travel from one state to another state. Like there was one time when people used to visit Kota, Rajasthan for IIT preparation. Now also they visit, and some other states also for IIT preparations. So some students, they get sick. Of course, teachers and management team there, they support, but issue came, right? So that's my point. Now in online class, you are the king of your home, right? You will simply say, mom, give me this, give me that, or whoever is the chef in your home, and they will give you good food, suitable food. And most of the time, girls face some awkward situations which disturbs their study, and it's difficult to solve without legal actions. I hope you're getting what I'm talking about. So you are totally safe until you will not mess yourself in online class, right? Actually, there was one bad news one time. My friend's sister left coaching, and because of depression, she left NEET exam also, and everything happened because of offline coaching. So there are so many advantages in offline coaching. Almost all the advantages are there in online coaching, but the disadvantages of offline coaching, uh, of course, you cannot ignore. Of course, this is rare, but this is important to notice your safety as well. The last point: so many extra expenditures, so many other ways where your money will flow, right? So you can save that money also. Example: snacks, tea, coffee, some small medicine, something, right? So if you multiply the whole year price, the whole year expenditure, whatever you are spending on offline, so you can pay that money for your Wi-Fi and for internet. At the same time, you will be at home. So these are my own experience. See the places students are saving their money if they are in online advantages. So room rent they are saving, food cost they are saving, traveling cost they are saving, clothes and decorators they are saving. For example, perfume and something else. Medical emergency they are saving the money, and heavy fees they are also saving, and so much of time waste they are saving. Right, in the same time of traveling, and you imagine, suppose I'm saying that I have class at 8 a.m. Okay, so if you are 10 kilometers away from my offline coaching, then you will start preparing yourself around 6:30 or 7. Like 1 hour is being wasted only in your preparation. You will take bath, you will be ready, and then you will visit. But in online coaching, just you wake up at 7 o'clock, you revise your syllabus, and you sit in 8 a.m. class. Okay, or just before 5 minutes you put the alarm and just sit, right? And few others. Uh, Now you can see, you can count your how much you're going to save if you are in online. Now see why my students are comfortable with my online classes. One small intro: they say that I'm a good teacher, so after my classes they got enough belief in online classes, like they are comfortable now. So they are comfortable with my classes, I'm trying to say that. And if I am not a good teacher, even though if I will run offline coaching center, you will not be able to understand anything. I provide recorded videos of same class. Like suppose today we had any class, that video I record and I provide to the students, so it helps them for the revision. I charge very less. Yes, definitely I charge very less. You can compare my fees with any other fees. Now get a free demo class from me, and I promise you, you will never forget that experience. So whatever things I teach, I have just listed here: GATE, aerospace, mechanical, XC subjects, IIT, JEE, physics, chemistry, math, foundation preparation, target all the three, NEET, physics and chemistry, and for pilots abroad, and BSc physics and maths, BTech college subjects, like these things are, and related subjects. So you can WhatsApp me, +91 India code 6380135 This is my phone number. You can just WhatsApp me if you are looking for the free demo class. Comment your views on advantages of online classes if I have missed any, and even though if you feel that online is good, you just comment here. Thank you.